Ready to build your own AI assistant that can revolutionize your workflow? First, let's log into the Retell AI platform. Once you're in, you'll see the agent creation dashboard. Ready to get started? Click that Create New Agent button now, where the fun begins. In the role definition section, clearly define your agent's persona. What is it meant to do? Like, are you building a customer service bot or a data entry assistant? Choose a concise, specific role. Next, we need to teach how to respond. In the programming responses section, you'll input the agent's reactions, scripts, and phrasing. This defines the personality and tone of your agent. Remember, clarity is key in writing these prompts. Now, upload the data your agent should use during its work. Use the section for training data to load your documentation, which provides the agent with a base of knowledge depending on the size of the data. The training time varies. Our final step brings the virtual assistant to life. Integrate your agent using existing channels like website chat or phone calls to let your project do what it was designed to do in the setting of its choice. And there you have it. Your AI assistant is ready. Remember to consistently test and refine your agent.